What's up, guys? This is Maciej Grzybowski speaking, and this is an unboxing of a HIRWILL watch. And you might not heard about this company, and the reason is they just started last year through a crowdfunding on the Kickstarter. And before I get any further into this, you might already realize that I'm not a native speaker. This is my first attempt to do a video in English, so apologies for any mispronunciation. Yeah, and with this behind, let's get started. This is actually my second attempt to open the box, but I realized that I was showing my address, which is on the other side of the packing, and it's not very good. So this is the second attempt. Let's get started. So I came across this watch while surfing on the Instagram, and it brought my attention straight away. And the reason is because the designers were inspired by the vintage weather measuring tools. This is really nice box, by the way. And the story is that in my parents' house and my grandparents' house, there was always old barometer hanging on the wall, like a vintage robust barometer in the heavy-duty wooden round case. And when I saw this watch on the Instagram, that brought my attention straight away. All right, so let's open this baby. I came across this watch in about October, and it just arrived. So here it is. What is this thing? Okay, like a business card, and let's see it. So it's packed quite secure in the very hard foam. So let's get it out. Just look at it. Oh, well, it's beautiful. It's just the way I imagine it. So with the emotions described already, let's get to the features of this watch. So the first thing is that this case is a 316 stainless steel, gold plated. It's 38 millimeter size with 47 millimeters lug to lug, and the watch is powered by Miyota quartz movement, and the glass that covers the face, it's actually a sapphire crystal. And well, let's take a closer look on the details of the case. So just as you can see on the crown, there's a small image of the logo of the brand, which is a bird, HIRWILL bird. The same thing you can see on the back of the case, which is brilliant. It looks really good. I really like the minimalistic look of the watch. And when we look at the face, well, this actually looks like the old barometer, like one of these barometers that hang on the wall in my grandparents' house. And I really love the design of this watch. It's brilliant. It's truly minimalistic Swedish design. So let's take a closer look. yeah, it's really beautiful looking watch with the brand name on the belt as well. Oops, got a little bit shaky. When it comes to the leather that's been used to make the strap, the leather also comes from Sweden, and it has been organically tanned, so it's all natural. No chemicals have been used to gain the color for the strap. It's really lovely looking. I think might be some kind of protection on the glass. Yeah, I'll check it out later, because to be honest, I can't wait to put it on my wrist. So let's do it. Yeah, just look at it. Beautiful, beautiful watch. So the way that it actually came to my possession is, as I said before, I found this watch on the Instagram. By the way, I recommend checking their Instagram account. I put the link into the description of the video for their website and the Instagram account. So I saw it on the Instagram, I really liked it, and I started following the company, and I was really fighting with myself to spend the money and buy it. But before I actually made the decision, they announced the contest, and that was while they were gathering the money for the on the Kickstarter, and the task was to estimate the amount that they're going to gather, and I was the person who made the best guess. And 4 months later, here it is on my wrist. Yeah, beautiful, great looking watch. And it's finally here. So thank you, HIRWILL watches, and that will be it. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you around.